they basically, I think as a team, they decided, okay, we're going to spend 13, 14 million of this money on women, basically, and bottles and stupid things, basically, which is, really, really dumb.
Well,
So,
luckily, with your guys' help, guys can learn how to do crypto correctly and make good money that is not bad money at all. So we have some chats here as well in the Council Club. Anything you want to add, Myron?
No, I'm just listening in.
All right, so we'll bring up the chats real quick. Guys, this is live Q&A, man. Any questions you got for Charlie and Miguel about crypto, let us know. And I got you guys.
I want to say one more thing, too, because there's somebody in the chat saying, which is like, this is what people used to do, use tornado.cash, but it actually would even get them into more trouble because that's straight up penalty. I mean, they're going to throw the book. Basically, your money, straight up money laundering. They've made that bit of code, if you're trying to use a tornado.cash or a mixer, as straight up your money laundering, and you're trying to essentially hide the capital. So that would have put even more charges on them if they use tornado.cash.
Wait, is there any way you can actually avoid getting caught doing this type of stuff, like at all?
No.
Because
no, not without a foreign government help. Essentially, like it would take that level of someone protecting you for that to happen.
Think